Friends, today I am again came with the second part of the chapter, is matter around us pure? Let us start. Under that, the first topic is separation of components of a mixture. Different methods of separation are used to get individual components from a mixture. Separation makes it possible to study and use the individual components of a mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures can be separated into their respective constituents by simple physical methods like hand picking, sieving, filtration that we use in our day-to-day life. Sometimes special techniques have to be used for the separation of the components of a mixture. Process of evaporation is used to obtain colored components from blue or black ink. The process of evaporation is used to separate a substance which is dissolved in water. It is based on fact that liquid vaporizes easily than the solid, helps in separating volatile substances from non-volatile substances. Now, steps of obtaining colored components from blue or black ink. Fill half a beaker with water. Second step, put a watch glass on the mouth of the beaker. Third step, put few drops of ink on the watch glass. Now, start heating the beaker. We do not want to heat the ink directly. You will see that evaporation is taking place from the watch glass. Continue heating as the evaporation goes on and stop heating when you do not see any further change on the watch glass. See the next one, separation of cream from milk. The process of centrifugation is used to separate the cream from milk. It is a method of separating the suspended particles of a substance from a liquid. This process is carried out by machine called centrifuge. Sometimes the solid particles in a liquid very small and pass through a filter paper. For such particles, the filtration technique cannot be used. The mixture is rotated rapidly so that the heavier particles in the mixture settle down to the bottom. The basic principle of centrifugation is that the denser particles are forced to the bottom and the liquid being lighter remains at the top. Now, let us see the steps of separating cream from milk. First step, take some full cream milk in a test tube. Second point, centrifuge it by using centrifuging machine for 2 minutes. Now, let us see the applications of centrifugation. First application is it is used in diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine test. Second application, it is used in dairies and home to separate butter from cream. Third application, used in washing machine to squeeze out water from wet clothes. Now, separating two immiscible liquids. Let us see some applications of this. First application, it can be used to separate mixture of oil and water. Second application, in the extraction of iron from its ore, the lighter slag is removed from the top by this method to leave the molten iron at the bottom in the furnace. Friends, now the second part of this chapter is over. Still some topics are remaining that we can see on the next video. Bye.